Now this here is one of those sets that'll just get you out of a bind. This is the 12-piece multi-torsion driving bit set from Xtorque. Now all 12 of these pieces are your standard 1/4-inch impact driving bit accessories. First off, you've got the 3 hex bits up the top in 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 of an inch, each with a strong rare earth magnet that holds onto your fastener. This set also includes a 1/2-inch impact adapter for driving impact sockets with your impact driver. And then you've got that range of 8 bits in the included holder, including a PH1, N2, square 2, slotted 6, hex 3 and 5, and a T20 and T25. All these bits are magnetized and they feature precision fit tips, which means you'll get a good bind on your screw, minimizing cam out while driving. And you can see from the design as well, they also feature Xtorque's extreme torsion technology, better utilizing the torque of your impact driver and delivering that into your fastener. And that included holder there keeps them organized, stops you misplacing any of them, and you can whack it in your nail bag or your toolbox for when you need it. They're available now at all Sydney Tools stores and online, sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.